Brembo wheels.
Man, them big boy, y'all ain't seen these, boy. New 4Giatos. Ooh. All right, man. So it's the next day. We got the Brembos all loaded up. You feel me? And they're clean, looking good. Yes, sir. Polished. That lipstick don't look so good poking out behind them, boy. I'm trying to tell you. So we about to shoot over here. Y'all already know where I'm going. About to shoot over to my boy at Jesse's spot, the secret location. You know what I'm saying? The secret hideout. And we're gonna get these boys thrown in. So y'all stay right there. All right. So we here, man. We made it to the secret location, or the secret hideout. I'm sorry, I keep saying that. So right when I'm about to get into it, I looked down and completely forgot that I ain't bring my key. So we're gonna have to shoot back to the house, postpone this for a second, and then we're gonna get back to putting that lipstick on there, man. You feel me? I can't wait to see these come off. Dodge knew they should have did better. I ain't saying they needed Brembos, but damn, that shit is boring as hell. All right, we back. So I got the key. My goofy ass left the key at the house, but I got it. So I'm gonna take this off, jack these up in the air, get these wheels off, and put the brakes on. We up, got the front wheel off, and from the videos I've seen, it's pretty straightforward, man. So a few bolts you gotta undo. You gotta get rid of this one, you gotta undo this one, and then you gotta undo some of these cables, and then this whole unit, this what they call it, spindle right here, the spindle, rotor, and all that, it comes off as one piece. So you can just take it all out of there as one piece. So I'm gonna give y'all as much as step by step as I can. Like I said, I ain't no mechanic. These guys are gonna help me. We're gonna get this shit knocked out. So I'm gonna get back to y'all here in a second. We almost got the first one all the way off, man. You gotta get this loose. Control arm, I think it's called, so you can get the spindle off of here. And then I ain't even gonna try and act like I know what I'm doing. I'm still trying to figure everything out, but this first one almost off. I'm gonna have to figure this all out, get my bearings about me, and then I'm gonna try and give y'all some more info on what I'm doing. But we almost got the first one, so we almost there. So these are your comparison. You said it just doesn't have a dust shield. That's this?
Yeah.
So that's the only difference?
I can tell.
I'm good with that. I mean, that's right.
Yeah,
You just have to wash them off anyway.
Bigger, better brakes.
Yeah. Brembo! Brembo! I'm gonna roll around like this. That's that weight reduction.
Bit. Yeah.
Good look. So you can see the difference.
But me following through. Can you believe that one?
Yeah, that looks so much better, bro. I'm in love with that. I had literally had to sit with these in my room and just look at them, bro. I've been looking at these for, what, like a year?
I believe it.
Oh my God. it looks so good just to sit there and look at them and just see it, you know, like. There go that wheel gap. There go that wheel gap, y'all love. I should just get it lifted. I'm gonna just get the car lifted and put 26s on it. What y'all think? Get it lifted, put some 26s on it. But nah, man, so we had to come inside and lift the car up because it's gonna be way easier. Way easier. Sir James said it's gonna be way easier.
I mean, we have it, use it, you know?
Yeah, that is true. Instead of making it difficult on ourselves, but y'all know sometimes you just gotta get in the open parking lot, do that shit in the rain. No. Man, on the humbug, bro, I got so many videos where I'm just installing shit in the middle of my apartment, like, you know what I mean? I can't wait to see red on all them four corners though, man. And there's a few people who've been asking me about this. This ain't paint. This is just from when I pulled the Hemi off. That's gonna come off with some glue gun. I just ain't had the chance to really get it. Oh yeah, bro. Bro, I'm telling you, and it's crazy, bro. Like, cause I swear people be having magnifying glasses or something, bro. Like, they be seeing shit that I don't even be seeing. Like, motherfucker be like, man. He said if you look around 34 inches down, I don't really get to show y'all too much as far as having to put it on. We did have to modify the what's that? The brake pump?
Yeah, the brake line.
The brake line, boom. So it's you have to shade down the brake line a little bit. That's really the only modification you have to do if you get the same setup that I did. So when I was lucky enough to come across a steal of a deal, and I got my whole like control arm put together in one. I'll show y'all that real quick. Ooh, look at it in the air. That black on black. Sheesh. Uh-oh, she getting higher. Wiz Khalifa. But you can see right here, this a whole unit, you know what I'm saying? So literally, like I was showing you earlier, all you have to do is take this off and disassemble it from your original piece, you know what I'm saying? So this is your spindle, rotor, and all of that, caliper, and everything is already all put together. I was lucky enough to where mine was literally just straight off of a car. And the guy, I'm gonna add that footage in here because I actually shot that episode and never finished it, so I am gonna add that in here. But the guy I got him from, he had I think it was a 2015 SRT, and he had the what was it? I think it was a car accident or something. Car caught on fire, and they ended up cutting them out. That's why it still got the piece of. Is that the control arm? That's a piece of.
Upper control arm.
Upper control arm. So I'm trying to give y'all all the slang, man, because I'm trying to, you know what I mean, expand my brain, learn more, teach y'all at the same time. You know what I'm saying? We all learn together. So all of that was one, but you can see the difference right there. So this is what it's gonna look like when you get the old one out, and then that's gonna be your Brembo right there. Oh man, listen, because I'm so glad I didn't put these on my last one, man. I'm so glad I didn't put them on the last one because they would have went to waste. You know what I mean? So we gonna get back into it. I'm gonna try and show y'all a little more this time since we inside, a little better light, and we know what we doing now. So it's gonna be a lot easier. So we gonna get in here, get straight to it, man. Y'all stay right there.
So the only thing that you have to like actually change on this is a lot thinner than this part, and there's a groove in the Brembo, so this part has to fit flush. So this part's just a little longer. So what we're gonna do is grind this one down, so it's like this, and that way it fits. Easy, dude. Save that money.
So the groove that we're talking about right here. So on the old brake line, this piece is just a tad bit bigger. So it's like this, like right in there that it fits into. You can see it better from right here. So you see that little right here. It's made specifically for this. So if you shave down your old one, it'll fit in there perfectly. So that's what we're doing right now. Well, how we doing exactly. There it is. These are a motherfucker to get out. I won't lie.
Yeah, there's different ways to do it, but that's the way we're doing it.
And on the lift, it's way easier.
Dude,
way easier.
Get that leverage.
Bruh, because I won't lie. Last time he even get this far, it took what, like an hour.
Yeah. like
easy,
15 minutes.
Easy. It probably ain't even been that long. And we've been bullshitting for real.
Yeah.
Just like walking around and chilling. Well, not bullshitting, but you know what I'm saying. Easy. So on a few of these, you gotta use it's an Allen key, right?
Yep. So gotta put the Allen key in it. And then slide, like it's easier if you have a ratcheting wrench. Because if you don't, you have to take the wrench off and on every single time.
And it's fit.
Yep, but if you have a ratcheting wrench, you can put the Allen wrench in. So this holds the center part of the ball joint while this spins off.
And it's what? So 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yep.
So it's 4 bolts that you got to get off essentially to get this whole, what is it, the control arm?
This is so like this part is like it's like a hub and a knuckle.
Okay.
Yeah.
So basically what holds your wheel,
Yeah.
that's what you're, like I said, if your upgrade is like how mine was and everything comes together, this is what you're swapping out. So it's basically a bolt on. Yeah, man, like I said, this is not a step-by-step. We are going through it, but we getting there, man. You know what I'm saying? It's all about learning. And I'm not gonna be able to explain it to y'all on this one how I want to, but I'm learning a lot, man. That's what it's all about. You're just supposed to take as much as you can, learn and run with it, man. I had to step outside because that fan was blowing, but Jesse and James, they've been showing me a lot, bro. Like, and you can ask them, bro. And I'm sure y'all can see it just through the channel. In the year of me doing this, bro, I done learned so much and I'm growing so much. And like a lot of this stuff that I'm doing it myself. You know what I'm saying? Like, cause at the end of the day, bro, a lot of people forget this. Like, even if you go take it to a professional, it's still gonna be another human being. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can do a lot of this stuff. Don't be scared to go out there and try and do things. You feel me? Like, at the same time, don't mess up nice stuff. You know what I'm saying? Do things that's in your boundary, but at the same time, don't be afraid to go out and try, bro. You know what I'm saying? There's nothing wrong with going out and trying. And there's nothing wrong with just like how I am. I wanted to do this by myself, but I had a little bit of know-how to say, probably can't do this by myself. So I hit up the guys, you know what I'm saying? So at the end of the day, yeah, I ain't do it by myself, but when you got the right people around you, you can make anything happen, man. And that's what we working on. All right, so while we got this up here, it's been a few people who was asking, and it definitely got active exhaust. So you can see that, and straight pipe all the way. No H or X pipe, you know what I'm saying? It's straight all the way back. And I'm pretty sure I still got my cats. Yeah. But it's clean up under here, man. Like I said, man, you could tell dude was definitely taking care of the car, man. And I'm more than thankful for that. Like even the exhaust work was good. Oh, I'm sorry, it is an X pipe, I'm tripping. But it looked good, man. But just wanted to take a brief second to do that. We finally got the back side off. This back passenger side. Like I said, man, it's been an adventure. We learning as we going. That's why I didn't do a tutorial on this one, because like I said, we don't really know everything we doing, but we do at the same time. And I'll just say, man, if you gonna do this yourself, just make sure you with somebody who know what they doing, or at least know about cars and shit, you feel me? Because it's easy to get figured out, but at the same time, you still want to make sure you're doing it with someone who know what they doing, because you don't want to mess your car up, man. These cars are too nice to be messing up. Whew, Jesus, bro. That red, that is, man. I'm really loving this.
Then hold it. Again. Again. One more time. All right.